Have you ever looked at the stock market and felt completely overwhelmed? All those charts, numbers, and financial jargon, it can feel like trying to decipher a secret code. But what if there was a way to navigate this complex world with a trusted guide, a platform designed to empower you to take control of your investments? Today, we're diving deep into Questrade, one of Canada's leading online brokerages. We're going to demystify the Questrade stock market, break down how it works, and show you exactly how you can use it to build your financial future. Whether you're a complete beginner eager to make your first trade or someone looking to switch brokers and optimize their investing strategy, this video is for you. Now, how does Questrade fit into this picture? Questrade acts as your intermediary, your bridge to the stock market. They provide the platforms and tools that allow you to place orders to buy and sell securities on various exchanges, both in Canada and the US. Think of them as your personal access point, handling the complex technicalities of trade execution so you can focus on your investment strategy. So, what exactly can you trade on Questrade? The range of investment products available is quite comprehensive, catering to various risk tolerances and financial goals. Stocks. This is probably what first comes to mind when you think of investing. Questrade allows you to buy and sell shares of individual companies listed on major North American exchanges. Whether you're interested in established blue-chip companies or exciting growth stocks, Questrade provides access. They even offer commission-free trading for Canadian and US-listed stocks, which is a huge advantage, especially for frequent traders or those just starting with smaller amounts. And here's a cool feature. Questrade supports fractional share trading for eligible stocks and ETFs. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs are like baskets of different investments, such as stocks, bonds, or commodities, that trade on exchanges just like individual stocks. They offer instant diversification, which is crucial for managing risk. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, an ETF allows you to invest in many different companies or assets simultaneously. Questrade offers commission-free ETF purchases, which is incredibly beneficial for long-term investors looking to build a diversified portfolio without racking up transaction fees. Options. For more experienced traders, Questrade offers options trading. Options are contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price within a certain time frame. They can be used for speculation, income generation, or hedging existing positions. Options trading is more complex and carries higher risks, so it's generally recommended for investors who have a solid understanding of market dynamics and risk management. Questrade charges a small per-contract fee for options trades. Mutual funds. While ETFs have gained significant popularity, mutual funds remain an option. These are professionally managed portfolios of stocks, bonds, or other securities. However, they typically come with higher management fees, management expense ratios or MERs, compared to ETFs, and Questrade charges a per-trade commission for mutual funds. Bonds and GICs, guaranteed investment certificates for investors seeking lower risk and more predictable returns. Questrade also provides access to bonds and GICs. Bonds are essentially loans you make to a government or corporation, and they pay you interest over a set period. GICs offer a guaranteed rate of return over a fixed term, making them a safe haven for capital preservation. International equities. If you're looking to diversify beyond North American markets, Questrade also offers access to international equities, allowing you to invest in companies listed on exchanges around the world. However, these often come with higher fees and may have different trading hours. Precious metals. You can even invest in precious metals like gold and silver through Questrade, offering another avenue for diversification and a hedge against inflation. Now that we know what you can trade, let's explore how Questrade actually works. It all starts with opening an account. Questrade offers a variety of account types to suit different needs and goals. Self-directed investing accounts. This is where you take the reins. You manage your own investments, making all the buying and selling decisions. Within self-directed investing, you can open Tax-Free Savings Account, TFSA. Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP. First Home Savings Account, FHSA. Non-registered accounts, cash/margin. Registered Education Savings Plan, RESP. Quest Wealth Portfolios, managed investing if you prefer a hands-off approach. Questrade's robo-advisor service, Quest Wealth Portfolios, is an excellent option. With Quest Wealth, experts manage your investments for you, building diversified portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. You pay a low management fee, and the portfolios are automatically rebalanced, taking the effort out of investing. This is a great choice for beginners or those who simply don't have the time or inclination to manage their own portfolios. Once you've chosen and opened your account, funding it is the next step. Questrade offers various convenient methods for depositing funds, including electronic funds transfers, bill payments, and even transfers from other financial institutions. They often rebate transfer fees from other institutions, which is a nice perk if you're consolidating your investments. With funds in your account, you're ready to trade. Questrade provides a suite of trading platforms, catering to different levels of experience and trading styles. Questrade Trading. Questrade Edge, web and desktop. Quest Mobile and Edge Mobile. Questrade FX Globa. When you place a trade on any of these platforms, you'll encounter different order types. Understanding these is crucial for effective trading. Market order. Limit order. Stop order, stop loss/stop limit. Trailing stop order. Bracket orders and conditional orders. One of Questrade's major selling points is its competitive fee structure. As mentioned, they offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs listed on Canadian and U.S. exchanges when placed online. This can lead to significant savings, especially for investors who make frequent trades or contribute regularly. For options, there's a per-contract fee, and mutual funds have a per-trade commission. It's always a good practice to review their detailed pricing schedule on their website to fully understand any potential fees, including ECN, Electronic Communication Network, fees, which can sometimes apply for removing liquidity from the market. In summary, the Questrade stock market isn't a separate entity, but rather Questrade acts as your gateway to the broader financial markets. They provide the infrastructure, the platforms, and the various investment products that empower you to participate in the buying and selling of securities. They've made investing more accessible and affordable for Canadians, offering a robust set of tools whether you want to manage your own portfolio or prefer a professionally managed approach. Understanding their diverse account types, transparent fee structure, and the functionality of their trading platforms is key to leveraging Questrade effectively for your financial journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.